How to change location in YouTube. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So in order to change the location, you need to open YouTube on your browser. You can also open up YouTube on your desktop, but you cannot change the location from your YouTube application. So first you have to go back and open up your preferred browser. Here I am with Google Chrome. And in the search bar, you need to click and search for youtube.com. Once you do that, you have to open up to our desktop mode. If you are unable to open up to desktop mode, you can simply tap on the three-dotted vertical line at the right upper corner, and you can simply check mark over the desktop side option and you'll be opened up to desktop side. So here you can see your profile at the upper right section. Simply tap on your profile and you have to go for your channel option at first. And once you are here, you'll be able to see the various options at the right hand side and also at the left hand side. You have to simply tap on customize channel option at the right hand side of the upper section. And once you do that, you'll be opened up to YouTube Studio. So at the bottom left of the YouTube Studio, you'll be able to see the settings option. Simply tap on settings and various settings will be available over here. You have to go to channel at the second option. So on the channel, there is option for country of residence, which you can select. So you have to tap on the drop down next to that, and from over here you can select the country that you want to set. And once you're done, you can go for save option and your change will be saved. So this is how you change location in YouTube. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.